Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a web form or a Google form. So first of all, just open your email and you see these dots here. Just click on that and scroll down, and here you will find this form. Just click on that and this is what you will get. Now just click on this blank option. Now you get a form here. First of all, you can rename this form. Let's say you're gonna name it to ABC form. Now here you can add your questions or whatever you want. So first of all, you're gonna type name. Now you can bold this and convert it to italic or underline or whatever you want. So let's make it simple here. Now here we have different options. We have short question, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, then we have drop down and all that. So we are gonna save it as short question. Now here you're gonna put age and again short question. We are gonna put date of birth. We are gonna add it to date. Now the date of birth format will be month, day and year. Now you see the option here called required. If you check this one, form will not be submitted if you leave this blank. That means if you check this one, then you have to put a date or any answer in this box. Otherwise the Google form will not accept this form. Alright, then we're gonna type comments and we're gonna put it to paragraph. Now that's all. You can create your Google form. And just go to the response, and from here you can create a Google Sheet. So once you submit the form will be submitted to that Google Sheet. Now if you want to see the form, if you want to see how this form looks like, just press here, preview, and this is how your form looks like. So go to the response and click on this. Now it's saying create a new sheet or select existing spreadsheet. So you can create a new one or you can put it in the existing sheet that you have. So we're gonna create a new one. Alright, so we got a new sheet here. Let's go ahead and submit a form here. So I'm gonna put name ABC, age 50, date of birth May 3rd, 1967. In the comment box I'm gonna put submit this. You will get this information here automatically. So we just submitted the form and we got this form here. So this is how you can create your Google form. and a Google Sheet. Now if you want to make any changes in this form, you can simply go to the tools, manage form, you can go to edit form. Now you can make any changes here if you want to make any changes. So that's all. That's how you can create your Google form, and you can attach this Google form with the Google Sheet. Now if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Just like this video, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.